Hello everyone, this is Prithviraj. Welcome to the session. Today's topic is sum of subset problem under Module 5 backtracking. Sum of subset problem is a problem of which it is to identify the subset values from a given set to identify the sum, so that sum should be equal to the given value. Here S is equal to S1, S2, S3 up to Sn be a set of n positive integers. Then we have to find the subset whose sum must be equal to the given integer called d. Let us take one simple problem. Apply backtracking method to solve the instance of sum of subset problem and draw the state space tree for the same. Our set of values are 3, 5, 6 and 7, and d value it is given as 15. Let us take the different columns like initial subset, sum. Then we need to check the condition whether sum is less than d or not. Then we have to write some remarks. Initially the first value we'll take, the first value is 3. Then sum is equal to 3 only, and then we'll check whether 3 is less than 15 or not. Now this is less than 15, so in the remarks let us take the next element. We'll write in the remark that let us take the next element. So the next element is 5. Sum is equal to 8, that is 3 plus 5, and 8 is less than 15. We can consider the next element. So take 6 and sum will be equal to 14. 8 plus 6, that is 14, and 14 is also less than 15, and add the next element. Next element is 7. So 14 plus 7, sum we will get it as 21, and but here the 21 is not less than 15 because 21 is greater than 15. So what you have to do is, because it is not matching with the our criteria, because our value must be 15, so we have to go with the backtracking method. So in the backtracking, let us remove the value 6 and let us check the result. So 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is equal to 15, and 15 is equal to 15, so we got our feasible solution. So in this way we can find out the sum of subset values. Now let us write the state space diagram for the same. Initially we'll take the vertex, we'll take the root node. Then we have to consider two cases. One is with the value and without value. Initially with the 3 we'll get the result, we'll get the sum as 3, and without 3 we'll get it as 0. Now for that sum 3, we can consider the next element as 5. So with the 5 we'll get the sum as 8, without 5 sum will be 3 only. Similarly for this side also, with the 5 sum will be 5, and without 5 sum will be 0. Next for 8, if I consider the next element as 6, then sum would be 14, without 6 sum would be 8 only. For this 8, if I take the element 7, so with the 7 result will be 15, without 7 result will be 8. So here itself we will get our feasible solution, because our d value was 15, so 15 equal to 15. So this is one of the feasible solution that we got with the subset values 3, 5, 7. Another problem, we have to apply the backtracking method to solve the instance of sum of subset problem. Set is given 1, 2, 5, 6 and 8, and d value is equal to 9. Let us follow the same method once again. For the first value is 1, sum is 1, 1 less than 9. Now it is wrong, yeah. So we can consider the next element. Next element is 2, so sum is equal to 3, 2 plus 1, 3 less than 9. Next element 1, 2, along with that one more value 5, so we'll consider the value 5. 5 plus 3, that is 8, 8 less than 9, consider the next element. Next element is 6, so 8 plus 6, that is 14, but 14 is greater than 9. So we need to go for backtracking. And in the backtracking, let us remove the element 5 first. And 1 plus 2 plus 6 will get the value as 9. So 9 is equal to 9. We got the solution. We may have more than one solution for the same problem because here our intention is to find out the subset values. Okay, so for the same set we may have number of subsets. Again we'll consider one more value, that is 8. 1 comma 2 comma instead of 6, if you add the element 8, then we will get 11. So 11 greater than 9. Go for backtracking. And let us remove the element 2. Then 1 and 8, 1 plus 8, that is 9. 9 is equal to 9. We got the solution. So in this way we can find out the different subsets. And for this problem, again state space tree will be given as with 1 without 1 first thing, and for the sum value with 2 without 2 for the same both the sides, and then for the sum 3 with the 5 will get 8, without 5 will get 3, and then for 3 with the 6 will get 9, and without 6 will get answer as 3. And in one more place, for the sum 1 without 5 and without 6, if I take the value as 8, then we'll get the solution. So here we have two feasible solutions. One is 1 comma 2 comma 6, 1 plus 2 plus 6, that is 9, and another is 1 comma 8, that is 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So that's all about sum of subset problem, and here is exercise problem for you. You have to apply the backtracking method, and you have to draw the state space diagram for the same. So set is given 5, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 18, and d value is equal to 30. Thank you.